So we get a lot of questions about using a head, and most of the production Benettos and Genots and Dufours that you're going to rent on charter or use these days are electric. Obviously there's the old manual ones, but we're just going to cover the electric ones. So if I'm going to use the head, the first thing I do is with the bottom switch put some water in. Little drop of water in. There we go, look. Now I do my business, whatever that may be. And all these switches do is the bottom one is water in, material out. The top one just switches both together. Now I want to push the top one and count to 5. Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5. And then I finish up the process by just emptying the final little bit of water out of the head to stop it slopping around. And the reason I count to 5 is because what I'm doing, the hose out of the bottom of the head comes up in here, over the top and into the tank. And all I'm doing by counting to 5 is making sure any organic matter clears the hose and doesn't sit in the hose. Because as these heads wear, you sometimes get a little bit of slippage back, and that material comes back into the head. By counting to 5, I've made sure all the nasty stuff has gone over this top and is in the tank, and the only thing that's in the pipe is fresh seawater.